Okay.
This is a Husquavarna Rancher. It's 61 cc's, and it's got a little spot here where it's cracked. Right here. It's a Rancher. And here's the other side. It's not broke or damaged in any way. It's got the spikes on the front. The muffler isn't all jammed up, but the chain brake don't work. And last night this saw was running good. I put gas in it, and overnight I tried starting it today and it don't want to start. I think maybe it needs a fuel system, a gas line or something, because it's probably soft. It'll run a little bit if you have the choke out. So let's see if it'll start. The choke's like halfway out, it'll run. Well, maybe it will. Oh, I got the switch off. Okay, I got the switch on now. Oh. See, there's something wrong with the fuel system. Switch works. So I'm fed up with it. You can see the oiler works good. It's putting out plenty of oil. Probably needs to be cleaned up. Probably the groove in here has probably got sawdust in it because it's been setting. But here it is, 61.5 cc's Husquavarna Farmer with a little chip here, and the chain brake don't work, but the recoil is good. Got compression. Now's your chance. Thank you.